Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are discussing unit number 7, the two bargains. The book exercises of unit number 7, there are adverbs, degrees of adverbs and adverb phrase, adverb clause to be discussed. So let's start from adverbs. As you know, adverbs are the part of speech and they are describing words. They give information about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Or in other way, we say adverbs are words that modify a verb, an adjective and another adverb. Then there are 5 kinds of adverbs. They are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of time, and adverb of purpose. These are kinds of adverbs have been discussed during the lecture, so there is no need to repeat them. Now we are moving towards the degrees of comparison of adverbs. As like adjective, adverbs have also 3 degrees. They are called positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree of adverb is called the first degree also when there is not any comparison of any person or any object, then we'll use the first degree of adverb over there. Below there is the example that will be very clear to you. The boy runs fast. Fast is the first degree of adverb, and there is no comparison with the boy, so we will use the first degree of adverb here like positive degree. And more examples are given to us as positive degree of adverb. They are fast, far, hard, late, soon and later. Then there is comparative degree. Comparative degree of adverb we use when there is a comparison of two persons or two objects, and we form the adverb comparative adverb by adding er with them, and as there is the comparison between two persons or two objects, so the word then must be used over there. Just like in the example, the boy runs faster than his father. Here there is a comparison of the boy with his father, so we are using comparative degree, and that is faster with the addition of than. There are few more examples of comparative degree that are clean, cleaner, high, higher. Means with the first degree of adverb, when we add er with them, they will become comparative degree. Now, superlative degree. Superlative degree or the third degree of adverb we use when we compare one person or one object with all. And a superlative degree can be formed by adding est or the word most somewhere. For example, the athlete runs the fastest. Fastest is the superlative degree, third degree of adverb, means we are making comparison of the athlete with all the athletes. And here with the superlative degree, article the must be used. Furthermore, few examples you can see on the screen, like loud plus est is equal to loudest. Similarly, when we add est with the adverb soon, it becomes soonest. Then truly and abruptly are the adverbs. By adding most with them, they'll become superlative degree, like most truly and most abruptly. Now, adverb phrase. Before starting the adverb phrase, let's see that what is a phrase. Phrase is a group of an incomplete sense or incomplete words. Like in phrases, we don't have any object or any subject or any verb. This is just only a group of meaningless words. So adverb phrase is a group of words that act as an adverb, as an adjective or other adverb in a sentence. The adverb phrase answers the question how, where, when and why. One thing more, that adverb phrases can be used in the beginning, at the end or in the middle of the sentence. You may see here some sentences are for your ease to make your mind clear that number 1 is good nutrition is important for health. Here the highlighted phrase for health will be called adverb phrase because it is answering the question how. Then vitamins are provided in many foods. It is in many foods in the sentence. It is also adverb phrase because it is answering the question where the vitamins are provided in many foods. Similarly, the next sentence, at breakfast we eat fruit and cereal. So the answer is at breakfast, or the question rises here, when do we eat fruit and cereal? The answer is at breakfast. So at breakfast will be called adverb phrase. Then the next sentence, the Severinos shop for groceries at Whole Foods. Here, in the sentence, there are two phrases and both are called adverb phrase. The first phrase answers the question why. Why Severino shops? The answer is for groceries. And in the second phrase, at Whole Foods, it answers the question where. Where Severino shops? At Whole Foods. So these both phrases will be called adverb phrases. Then the next sentence is, many people supplement their diet with extra herbs. Here the question rises, how? How many people supplement their diet? The answer is with extra herbs. So in this exercise, all the highlighted words, all the highlighted phrases will be called adverb phrases. Now, the next one is adverb clause. What is a clause? Clause is also a group of words which have the subject and predicate or verb in them. And furthermore, clauses are of two types. One is called independent clause, the other is called dependent clause. So adverb clause has a subject and verb, and it acts as an adverb, adjective, or other adverb in the sentence. It can also be called dependent or subordinate clause that starts from subordinate conjunction. Remember that adverb clause always start from a subordinate conjunction. Then it answers the question how, when, where, and why. It does not have a complete meanings. Then there are few examples of adverb clause. Number one is, you may sit wherever you wish. Here, the highlighted clause, wherever you wish, it is adverb clause and it is modifying the verb sit and it answers the question where, as you can see on the screen. Next is, when spring sets in, many students go crazy. Here, when spring sets in, it is also adverb clause because it is answering the question when and it is modifying the verb go. So it will be called adverb clause because it also started from subordinate conjunction. Then the next one, Rachel and Sloan look at though they have some exciting news for us. In this sentence, the whole highlighted clause will be called adverb clause as it is starting from subordinate conjunction and it is answering the question how and it is modifying the verb look. So in this exercise, all the highlighted clauses that can be called adverb clause. And just like adverb phrase, adverb clause can also be used in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. Then, one more rule that is to be kept in your mind, that whenever the sentence start from subordinate clause or adverb clause, at the end of this clause, the comma must be used. Then, there are some subordinate conjunctions that you may see on the screen. It will be helpful for you while you are making adverb clauses. So, this is all about the book exercises of unit number 7. Inshallah, during the next unit, we will discuss the book exercises of the same unit. Till then, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.